Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week, and if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you give this one a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And we are currently in a declutter series, and today I have quite a bit of things. But before we jump right into today's video, I want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. Let's get started. Like I mentioned, I have quite a bit of things. I'm not 100% sure how to categorize this. This is just like my eye bin, I guess, my eye drawer. So in here I have eyeliners and mascaras. So I guess that's really just it. Just a bunch of eyeliners, different types. We have pencils, we have liquid, we have just a mishmash of things. We're gonna go ahead and just declutter this. I have a lot in here, and some of these I don't even touch. So it's been a while, so we're decluttering it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the mascaras in my little bin. I have quite a bit of mascaras, as you can see right here. I'm just gonna go through them one by one. So this one right here is the Air Volume Mega Mascara, and I actually really like this. However, I think this bottle is old, and I don't think there's actually anything really left in here. So I am getting rid of this one, but I will probably be repurchasing it. All right, next up I have the viral Sky High Mascara. This is from Maybelline, and I have two of them. And I initially repurchased it, so I did repurchase this, and now I can't tell the difference between the two. I don't know which one is which. This one feels heavier, so I think this one's the newer one, but I'm not too sure, so I've been holding on to them, but I believe this one is heavier, so I'm gonna keep this one and get rid of this one. I hope I'm right. I mean, both of them still have like product in it. One of them just has a lot less. So this is my absolute favorite mascara. There's a reason why these went viral on TikTok, because they're that good. I have baby lashes, and these help them out a lot. I'm not gonna lie and say like, oh, they made them like so like whoof, but like they definitely appear in person. Next I have this Lancome Booster mascara. It's like a primer mascara. It's like one of those white ones, and honestly I don't think this helps at all. I picked it up with, it was like one of the Ulta VIB, wow, mixing Ulta and Sephora together, sorry. But anyways, it was one of the Ulta like one day sales where like this was like $10. I was like, ooh, let me pick up like an expensive mascara for $10. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. I think this retails for $25 originally. It's not worth the $10. It's definitely not worth the $24. So this one is leaving my collection. I do not use this. It did nothing for my eyelashes. All right, now I have two Essence mascaras. Oh wait, that's a lie. I have three Essence mascaras, and honestly, I love all of these. But at first I did not like this mascara. It grew on me, and I love it for my bottom lashes, but it is pretty much empty at this point, so I am going to be getting rid of this one, the black one. This is their Lash Princess, and everyone raves about that Lash Princess mascara. It's pretty good, but I don't hear enough people raving about this one. This is my all-time favorite drugstore mascara. This is the Double Trouble mascara. This looks so good on my eyelashes. This just like, I don't know, gives them volume, gives them a little bit of a lift. It just does it all. So this is my favorite Essence mascara, my favorite drugstore mascara overall. This one is really good too. This is the Lash of the Day mascara, and I prefer this one over the Lash Princess's mascara, but this one is old, so I'm gonna get rid of this one, and I don't think I'm repurchasing it because this one has just taken the cake. Like, I love this mascara. This is ride or die with me. This paired with the Sky High mascara, beautiful combination, like absolutely beautiful. So keeping this, getting rid of this, and the Lash Princess. And this is the last mascara I have. This is the e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud mascara, and I just do not like this. This does absolutely nothing for me. This is like a plastic spiky brush, and personally it just didn't do anything for me, so I am going to be removing this from my collection. All right, next up we have eyeliners, and I did not realize I had this many eyeliners, so I'm going to just go through them really quickly. I'm going to start off with these two. These are Pixie eyeliners, and I could have sworn I had a third one. So I have like this, like a champagne color. It's like this beautiful sparkly champagne, and then a black. Black is, both of these are very, very pigmented, very, very creamy, and I really like them, so I will be keeping them. The black, however, does kind of like smudge all over the place. So now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm actually gonna get rid of the black one. Even though it's very pigmented, it does kind of get all over the place, so yeah, the black one I think I'm letting go. Next up I have the Wet n Wild eyeliners, and these are so pigmented and they're so cute. I just swatched them all for you. Like, look how cute these colors are. I personally haven't had time to play around with these, so I am gonna be holding on to these. They're fairly new in my collection, so they're not going anywhere quite yet. All right, next up I have two Dollar Tree eyeliners. One's the Ioni Black Liner, and the other one is an LA Color Liner, and honestly, if you watch me swatch this or try to use it that one day, and honestly, if you try to watch me use this the one time I try to use this, it does not work. It did nothing for me, and I was very disappointed because like the color was cute and I thought for like $1 it would work, but unfortunately the formula is just way too drying. It does not show up on your waterline, so I am going to be getting rid of this one. And then the Ioni Black Liner is actually really good, but I already have a black liner, which I'll show later on, but that is better, so I will be getting rid of this one as well. Again, it's not bad, but I just don't necessarily need two black liners. And then I have the Morphe eyeliners, and one is in Coconut and then the other one is in Dark Room. So essentially this is a shade white and this is a shade black. And as you can tell, I use the black one quite a bit. But these are both really good and very pigmented, so I am gonna be holding on to them. They're pretty old, but hey, they still work and they're still very pigmented, so no need to get rid of them quite yet. All right, so next up I have three LA Girl eyeliners. I have three LA Girl eyeliners, and one is in the shade Brown, which I personally love. I use this one all the time, so I'm keeping this one. And then these two are like kind of like fun shades. This one's like a dark blue, and then this one is like a metallic green. I don't use them all the time, but when I do need these colors, they come in handy, and they are very pigmented and they're very creamy. So I'm gonna keep these just for creative purposes, you know? And then lastly, I have two Essence eyeliners. This one is just like a nude color, and then this one is like gray and it has like some sparkles in it. They are both very good, very creamy. I feel like eyeliners you really shouldn't spend a lot of money on, just because the drugstore has some really good creamy one, and Essence is one of them. So I'm 100% keeping these. They're just really good, so why not keep them? All right, so last up is liquid eyeliners, and I thought I had more, but apparently I don't. I'm gonna start off with the fun color right here. This one is a Milani. This is like their Fruit Fetish one, and I picked this one up at Dollar Tree. And honestly, obviously I do not gravitate towards this one just because it's like a bright neon green, but when I am feeling creative, I do pick this up. But I don't know if I necessarily use it as often in the formula. It's okay, it's really not too bad. I think I just might hold on to this one just a little bit longer, just because like when am I gonna need like a green eyeliner, like a neon green eyeliner? You never know. So I am gonna keep this one just for creativity purposes. These two are both LA Colors, and I actually really like these. Especially like if I were in a pinch and I needed an eyeliner, I would just go pick these up from the Dollar Tree. The only issue I personally have with these is the scent. They smell like straight up paint. And I just feel like that cannot be good for my eyes. Like, I don't know, mentally, I'm like, is this like healthy to put on my eyes? I don't know. I don't think so. So I am gonna get rid of these two. Honestly, this one works beautifully, but I have another one in my collection that I like even better. So I am just gonna get rid of them just because of the smell. All right, last up I have my Essence. This is our Super Precise eyeliner. I have been loving this. This is so beautiful, perfectly matte. Like, I have it on my eyes today. I mean, it's probably hard to tell because I have a dark eye makeup look on, but it's actually very easy to work with, surprising, because like it's like one of these brushes, but it is you could get very precise with this as long as you have a steady hand. Like, this is really good. And then the other one I have in my hand is the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I was ride or die for this. I didn't think I would ever replace this, but this has been slowly replacing this, which is very surprising. This is like my 4th, 5th tube of this. Like, this is just a repurchase after repurchase after repurchase, and I love this. But like I mentioned, this one has been taking the throne for now. But I am gonna keep this because I really do love this eyeliner. So right now, both of these are staying in my collection. All right, so this is the final bin. This is everything that I am keeping. I am actually getting rid of quite a bit. A lot of mascaras, some eyeliners. I'm not upset. Like, this is a good amount. This is a good chunk. But I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. Each week I'm going through cleaning up all of my makeup that I do not use, do not need, do not like. So definitely stay tuned for more declutter videos. And if you enjoy this one, please make sure you give this a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe down below so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And as always, before signing off, I want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you're worthy. All right, guys, bye.